In AI Corporate Desktop, you can use online models, but also local AI models through Ollama. That means AI processing can run on your own computer, inside your own workflow. Ollama is a program you install on your laptop or PC. It downloads AI models to your device and lets other apps, such as AI Corporate Desktop, talk to them. With local use, the processing runs on your own computer. Before you use local models, Ollama must be installed and running. Then you download a model, for example with the command Ollama pull. AI Corporate Desktop can then show the available Ollama models in the model picker. In Ollama, you can choose between different models. Some are lightweight and fast, while others are stronger at reasoning or specialized for particular tasks. In AI Corporate Desktop, you choose the model that fits your work. A practical benefit of local models is that you can run them for free on your own computer once Ollama and the model are installed. Sensitive text can also stay local. The speed depends on your computer and on the model you choose. Some Ollama models also support tool calling or vision. That means the model can do more than generate text. Check the available capabilities per model before you use it in a workflow. Local models do not have to replace online models. You can combine them deliberately. Local models for suitable tasks and online models when you need more power or specific capabilities. In short, Ollama lets AI models run locally. AI Corporate Desktop makes them useful in your workflow, and you keep control over cost, data, speed, model choice, and capabilities. Want to read this again? Go to ai-corporate.info and choose Manual. There you will find the steps for using local models through Ollama in AI Corporate Desktop.